We will now create our navigation component. We start with creating the nav tag with the classes navbar, bg primary for the background color, navbar dark, navbar expand md to make it expand on medium sizes, and fixed top to let it be fixed at the top of the browser. Then we'll create an anchor tag with the class navbar brand and the name of our app Cameo. Then we'll create the toggle button, which is a button tag with the type button, the classes navbar toggler and navbar toggler right, the data toggle attribute with the value collapse, the data target attribute with the value hash navbar nav, which we'll use later on, and some attributes for accessibility. Area controls attribute with the value navbar nav, the area expanded attribute with the value false, and the area label attribute with the value toggle navigation. Inside this, we'll create our icon for the button, which will be a span tag with the class navbar toggler icon. Now we'll go ahead and create our collapsible menu. We create a div tag with the class collapse and navbar collapse. We'll give it the ID navbar nav, which we referred to before from up here. Cool. Inside this menu, we create an unordered list with the class navbar nav. Inside this, we have our list item with the class nav item. Inside this, we put an anchor tag with the class nav link and the text to the top. We also need to set the href value to top, which we'll use later on to refer to different sections on the page. Now we'll duplicate these links, and then I'll just change the text content and the href value. We have a description link here. Then we have a trailer link, a showcase link, a features link, a pricing link, and a reviews link. Alright, let's have a look in the browser. We see that we have the blue background and we have links that can be highlighted. If we have small size, we'll see the toggle button appearing, which we can toggle to select from the links. Cool. We'll now turn this into a scrolls by component, so the different links will highlight when we scroll the page. First, we'll add the ID to our unordered lists, since this is the list where we'll highlight the links. So we give it the ID nav scrolls by. Then on the body element, we need to add the data spy attribute the value scroll, since this is the element we'll be spying on. We'll also add the data target attribute with the value hash nav scroll spy, which is referring to the ID we just created. We can't see much yet since we don't have any content to scroll up through, so we'll see how it works later on.